Uber's here. Come on.
This guy just asked me if I eat your booty, and I said, hell yeah.
Hey, babe, so he said if we eat our girl's ass. Me and Julian said, yeah.
After the club sweating and everything. No, and what did they say?
He was like, I respect.
Okay, as I was saying, guys, we kind of just got ready really fast in the hotel room, and then we came to Fremont because it was at that point it was already like 12 a.m., 12:30. So we were trying to just come to the Fremont, like the Fremont experience place, and just get like a few drinks in because it's our first, technically like our first night here. So yeah, we're a few drinks in. It's been kind of crazy. That's why I haven't vlogged. You guys can't see me. I don't have a flash.
She'll get you with the flash right here.
Are you gonna help me with the flash? Oh! That's what you call a bestie right there. So right now we're heading back to our hotel. We're gonna go eat because we haven't eaten. We're all on empty stomachs. That's a bad idea. And then we are going to get some drinks, drink for the rest of the night, and then we're gonna start our weekend officially tomorrow. So we ready, right? We ready. We ready. And if you guys haven't already followed Jeff and Clarissa's page, this is Jeff. Clary, say hi back there.
Hi guys.
They have their own channel. I'll link their channel in the bottom bar.
Life with Jeff and Chloe.
Life with Jeff and Chloe. They do vlogs, they do all that kind of stuff. So I will link their channel in the bottom bar if you guys want to subscribe to their channel. That'd be really great because they're really great friends of mine. So alright, we'll see you guys at the bar. Dude, I lost. Oh my god.
Let me see. What size is that? I have a size just like this at the hotel.
I lost my hoops, you guys. Well, I lost one hoop. Oh my. It's barely day one.
Julian, I want to know why you took shotgun right now.
I'm so hurt.
I don't know.
Why he took shotgun?
Babe,
why I took shotgun? Because I'm the man. That's why, homie.
Oh, babe.
Somebody call 911.
Okay guys, so it's officially day one in Vegas. It's already around 12 o'clock. We spent our morning obviously eating breakfast. We went ahead and came to check into this hotel, that the Flamingo, that we're staying at for this weekend. And we are on our way to the Encore Beach Club right now. And then I think we're gonna sign up for a party bus for the rest of the weekend. So I think it's gonna be really fun. Right now we're just making our way, okay? Making our way.
I want to take a picture with the parrots
Or
the snake.
Or a snake. Ooh, shoulder check those motherfuckers. Look at Clarissa and Jeff. Clary, Jeff, say hi to the vlog. Oh no!
Really big!
Party foul! Bestie, say hi. Hey. So what's going on?
So if you need promotions, go to Roll Crawl Las Vegas.
Yep, World Call Las Vegas. Make sure you talk to the handsome Asian guy. Not talking about me though, you know. Alright, you want me to give you all the pitch or what?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so this is tonight, right? We take 100 people out. You'll get to go to 2 bars and then 1, 2, 3, the best clubs in Vegas. First 2 bars, pre-game parties, just designed to get you all drunk.
Are they bars on the strip?
It's Coyote Ugly and...
These are all on the strip.
Wait, I have one question.
Yep.
A few moments.
What's your name, handsome? Savannah. How old are you? So you're gonna put your head back and open up and you all know where to go. Come on.
Got his hands on the ball. So Kentucky will have. That's 4 Wofford turnovers. They turned it over just 9 times when they received the ball.
Headed to the pool party at Grace Club. We're about to go see.
Boom, 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 boom.
So I lost my voice last night at the club. So I'm gonna just let Julian tell you what we're fucking doing today.
I don't even know what we're doing. Just kidding.
We're going to, so we signed up, I don't know if I already told you guys this, but we signed up for like the bar crawl and the pool party crawl. So like we go to all these different, like pool parties and bars and clubs. So we're just here right now at like a chill bar. We ordered drinks, we got some nachos. And then right now we're about to get on the party bus and go to Dre's Pool Club where Pauly D is fucking gonna be DJing. So it's gonna be a fucking good time. We're ready to party.
Yep.
We already got our free shots that come with the pool crawl. And Cheyenne's enjoying her food over there. She wanted me to tell you guys that she apologizes for last night. If you guys have me on Snapchat, she like took over my Snapchat and it was pretty embarrassing because we didn't see it until this morning. So most of you guys already saw it. She wants to say she's sorry.
I apologize. I am sorry.
Let's go. She is sorry. Okay, we're gonna get on the party bus. We'll see you guys at Dre's. Cheyenne's double fisting it right now. That's respect, Cheyenne. That's respect.
Put some respect on my name when you say respect.
Back. Savannah can't talk. She lost her voice. She's
Guys,
probably fucked up.
I literally like lost my voice. Like what the fuck?
Well, anyways, we're going to the next pool party. Where's it at?
I don't even know.
I forgot where it's at. But we're about to go see Rick Ross, and we just left Dre's. So
on to the next. It's fine. It's
on
fine.
to the next, and we're gonna have another drink, another shot.
Right.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys.
We'll see you guys at the next pool party.
Set her ass up.
Charlie's. We're at Carlos and Charlie's. So, after this, yeah, we're gonna go to the club after this, and then we're gonna get lit as fuck. So, say hello to the fam.
next club. I hope you guys heard that.
At the what?
At the next club.
At the next club.
Shy, what's his name?
Shane and Shy and
Lily.
Lily. That's a cute name. Shane, Shy, Lily, Shy, Shane, Lily.
Yeah, say hi to the YouTube channel.
All right, 20 people, let's go. Let's go. Yay, I'm against the little fat.
I thought we're taking a picture. Sorry. So we're here at Margaritaville. We're gonna eat some breakfast, try to go on with our day. Still hungover. Last night we went to No Voice, no money. Nah, just kidding.
Vegas is canceled. Vegas is fucking canceled.
Spent it all. Got some drinks last night. Where did we go? We went to the club, Chateau, and Omnia Club.
Are you gonna get a tattoo?
Nope. I was gonna get a tattoo, but
we should look for a tattoo parlor and some like
we could do that.
piercing parlors.
I'll be there.
Do you want to get a tattoo?
He said he's gonna get a whole pizza and have one slice missing, and she'll have her slice on her body.
Her body.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute, but
I'm big.
Because I love pizza.
We're at Margaritaville right now. We're gonna get some breakfast, and then we're gonna head out and just walk the strip. We're gonna go see Nelly tonight, I guess. I totally forgot about that.
We're on the guest list.
I guess we're on the guest list, yeah.
Jeez, that shit's hot. Ew! You put it in there and Well, Nana, I can't hear you. What did you say?
Yeah, I just hear.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell you said. What was going on?